Hi everybody, I'm back to do the watercolor art for your science activity for the week. It's on your lesson plan for Tuesday, but you can do it any other day of the week as well. So first you're going to need to get your supplies together. So you need the color page that we sent you, which is here, a paintbrush, or if you don't have a paintbrush at home, you can use a Q-tip, the chalk we sent you, or if you don't want to use a chalk, if you have a watercolor paint set at home, you can use one of those. You need a cup of water for your paintbrush, a fork and a spoon, and a plate to do the art, the science part. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is get a plate and get the piece of chalk that we sent you. And you're going to take it and you're going to break it with the fork. And you're going to push it down and break it. And when you do that, it makes the chalk chunky. Okay? And then if you want to make it even smaller, you can take a spoon and smush it down and make it really powdery. Okay? And so you have three colors, and so this is the blue. And then you have the pink for the reddish color, and smush it down. It's hard to do when I'm holding it up, but if you have it on the table, it smushes down real nice. And then we have a green color for the cactus. Another thing that you could use if at home in your kitchen, if you have a cheese grater, the cheese grater would work really good too. And if you have other colors of chalk at home or chalk that you play with outside, that would also work as well. So then if you take your pieces that you have crushed up and you take your water and you dip your paintbrush in your water, and then you take your brush and dab it in the chalk that you cut up, you now will be able to do watercolor painting. So you can paint everything that you want to paint green, and you can take your time. I'm going fast because I'm showing you a video, but take your time. If you mix colors of chalk together, it'll make different colors. So if you want to make the sand dark, if you mix the red with the green a little bit, dip in your cup and mix the red and the green together, then it will make more of a brown color for your sand. So you can do experimenting and mixing together and see what the colors will make. You can paint them anything that you want. Cactuses are usually green and sand is usually brown and the sun is usually yellow, but you can be creative and paint it however you want. When you're done, you can even go around the outside and paint the whole outside of the picture. So I hope you might have some more chalk at home too, and so you can experiment with using other colors. And we also actually have some other color pages throughout the week. If you enjoy doing this science activity with the chalk, then maybe you can do some more watercolor painting with those activities as well instead of coloring. I hope you enjoyed doing this. See you next time.